What's up, everyone? Are you trying to get a quick match in NBA 2K25 but keep getting hit with a matchmaking failed error? Man, that is so frustrating when you just want to get on the court. Don't worry, I've got a few solid plays to get you back in the game. Assuming the servers are good, let's try the oldest trick in the book. Completely close out of NBA 2K25. Make sure the game is totally shut down. Then try launching it again. If that doesn't work, a full restart of your console or PC can clear out any temporary bugs that might be messing with your connection to the servers. Moving on, a weak or unstable internet connection is a major cause of matchmaking errors, so let's troubleshoot your network. Try restarting your router and modem by unplugging them for about a minute. If you are on Wi Fi, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection for more stability. This can make huge difference, especially in online modes. Let's check if the problem is even on your end. That matchmaking failed message often pops up when the NBA 2K servers are down for maintenance or overload. So before you do anything else, hop on over to the official NBA 2K server status page or their social media accounts. If the servers are down, you'll just have to wait it out with the rest of us. Make sure your game is fully updated. Developers often release patches that fix matchmaking bugs. If there are no updates and you're still stuck, you might have to reinstall the game completely. You can also use the Run as Administrator method by right-clicking it to enable your game to be prioritized by your personal computer. Next up, let's clear your game's cache. Corrupted temporary files can sometimes cause matchmaking problems. The process is a little different depending on your system. On a console, you can often do this by fully powering down the device and unplugging it for 60 seconds. On PC, you might have to go into your game's local files and delete the cache folder. A quick search for how to clear NBA 2K25 cache on your specific platform will show you exactly what to do. I really hope one of these tips help you fix those matchmaking errors and get back on the court. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching!